In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add columns in a PowerPoint table quickly and easily. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a client project, knowing how to properly adjust your table layout can save you a lot of time and make your slides look more professional. I'll walk you through two simple methods step by step, so you can choose the one that works best for you. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains your table. To add a column, the very first thing you need to do is click inside the table. This is important because the table editing options only appear once the table is selected. Now let's look at method 1, which is the right-click method. After clicking inside the table, move your cursor to the column where you want the new column to appear. Right-click inside any cell in that column. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, hover over or click on Insert. You'll now see two options: Insert columns to the left and Insert columns to the right. If you want the new column to appear before the column you selected, click Insert columns to the left. If you want it to appear after, click Insert columns to the right. As soon as you click your preferred option, PowerPoint will instantly add the new column in the position you selected. That's it. It's quick, simple, and perfect if you prefer using right-click shortcuts. Now let's move on to method 2, which uses the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. This method is great if you prefer using the toolbar instead of right-clicking. Again, start by clicking inside your table. Once you do that, you'll notice a new tab appears at the top of the screen called Table Layout. This tab only shows up when a table is selected, so if you don't see it, make sure you've clicked inside the table properly. Click on the Table Layout tab. In the ribbon, look for the section labeled Rows and Columns. Inside this group, you'll see options that say Insert Left and Insert Right. Just like before, select the column where you want the new column to be added. Then click Insert Left if you want a new column added before the selected column, or click Insert Right if you want it after. Immediately, PowerPoint will insert a brand new column exactly where you specified. You can then click inside the new cells and start typing your content. Adjust the column width or format it however you like. Here's a quick bonus tip. After adding a new column, you may want to resize it so your table looks clean and evenly spaced. To do that, simply hover your mouse over the border of the column until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to adjust the width. You can also use the Distribute Columns option in the Table Layout tab to make all columns evenly spaced with one click. So just to recap, there are two easy ways to add columns in a PowerPoint table. Method 1 is right-clicking inside the column, choosing Insert, and then selecting Insert Columns to the left or Insert Columns to the right. Method 2 is clicking inside the table, going to the Table Layout tab, and using Insert Left or Insert Right in the Rows and Columns group. Both methods work instantly, and once you know them, adjusting your tables becomes much faster and more efficient. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.